TheChuckster22 here, wishing everyone a happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day season, as I like to call it. 2021, doing something different this year, something I've never really tried before. Going to make a little small, hopefully short, quick cooking video. Everyone always hear me talk about, the different plant-based stuff I make here and there. Every year I make, shepherd's pie. And the last couple of years, since I've been switching more of a plant-based diet, I've been using different ways of making it. Now, I have to warn you, as my wife says, I'm an out-of-the-package kind of guy, so I take shortcuts where I can. But I promise you the finished product is pretty good, as you've seen pictures over the years. So, just showing you the ingredients real quick, and then we're going to cut until the different parts of when I combine these ingredients. And just showing you here the meat that we're using this year, the Impossible ground meat. First year it's been available. It hasn't been available in grocery stores until just this year. Last year I used the Beyond ground meat, which was pretty darn good too. Year before that, I think we used crumbles, because back then that's all you had available. But going to use those. As you see, I got three packages of that. I got 2 packages of the mixed veggies, corn, peas, carrots, green beans. And because I'm a broccoli guy, I love my broccoli. I got a big bag of broccoli we're going to cook up in there as well. Have to get the shepherd's pie seasoning mix, so I'm going to throw that in there. And yeah, guys, I'll be honest, when it comes to mashed potatoes and this thing, I like to cheat as well, but it's not really even mashed potatoes. I like mashed cauliflower just because it's more healthy and it tastes just as good. And this is what we got this year, mashed cauliflower. And that's what we're going to do. So you will watch as we combine these ingredients. Going to start with the skillet, and eventually we're going to bake it into the oven here, and you'll see all of that. Going to start off putting a little olive oil in there because I always like to put a little olive oil in anything I cook. So we're going to start with that, and then we're going to put the Impossible in here to brown it. So as you see, I got the Impossible in the skillet, and now we're just going to go ahead and cook this up and brown it, just like you would any other regular hamburger meat. So we'll do that, and then we'll skip to the next part when we're done with that. And now you see, we've got the Impossible meat all nice and brown. Got my wooden spoon out here so I can help stir it, because you gotta stir it, mix it around to get everything evenly brown. Which now is ready for our other ingredients, which I'm going to start mixing in here as well, as you will see. So as you see, we have all of our veggies all mixed in with our ground Impossible, and everything's warmed up, mixed together. And the next thing I'm going to do is mix in our shepherd pie seasoning, which I will do next, before we transplant this to the oven, which we're going to have baking there for a little while. So here it is. Got Dream in the background telling me what's up. There's our seasoning. Now let's go ahead and put that in here so I can go ahead, season this so it's ready to be a shepherd pie here in a little while. Okay, next up, while our shepherd pie mix is staying warm, kind of cooking up, simmering, we are getting our mashed cauliflower ready. As you see, we got one out of the box here. We're going to microwave it. Hey, as I mentioned before, I'm doing a shortcut. If you want the full-scale culinary deal, you're watching the wrong video. But the way I'm doing this, anyone can do it. So in the microwave here, as you see, we got 2 of them already thawing out. and you'll see later on what it is I'm going to do with these. But I just want to show you this part of the process right now as we're getting ready. And while we are getting the mashed cauliflower ready, I'm going to start getting the pan out and ready that we're going to put in the oven with our mix. While this is taking care of itself. Alright, real quick, next move is I'm going to transplant, and that's my wife trying our stuff, but I'm going to transplant this into here to bacon there. And in case you're wondering who's doing that barking earlier, here's my assistant, my sous chef, Dream Dog. She came to give me a hand. So now we're going to go ahead and get this done. And as I said, we're getting everything transplant from here into here. And we're going to smooth it out as we do. So I'm going to continue with this until we have it completely ready. And I'm also, while I'm doing this, going to start preheating the oven for 400 degrees is what we're going to preheat it to. And we're going to try and bake it for half an hour once we get the mashed cauliflower on. So that's what we have going on here at this moment for our 2021 plant-based shepherd pie. Alright, just want to show you, we got everything transplanted from the skillet is now empty into our pan. Next step is I'm going to put the mashed cauliflower on there. We also have the oven preheating to 400 degrees. And again, I got my sous chef over there. She got into something. Don't pay that no mind. I got my sous chef over here, Dream Dog. And this is what's going on so far. Oh, I also got to tell you, my vegan wife, Lemma, tried some of the piece because she liked it, forgetting that the Impossible tastes just like meat. Let's just say she didn't like that so much, but hey, that's how real this Impossible stuff tastes. It really does taste like the real deal, which is why I'm hoping this will be a success. Okay, so now as you can see, we have it all done. Everything's in the pan, ready to go in the oven. Got the mashed cauliflower all on there, ready to go. And actually, I just want to put one last thing on here before we start baking it. We got some vegan cheddar. A lot of people like putting cheddar on their shepherd pie. I don't like putting too much, if anything, but this year we'll put a little bit and see how it comes out. Okay, now the only thing left to do is put this in the oven. So we're going to do that right now. So pushing that in there. And it's going to bake the next half hour. We're on Marine Corps, by the way. And 400 degrees for half an hour. Okay, it's done cooking. And we're ready to pull it out of the oven. And you see right here, there it is. So let's go ahead and pull it out and give it a try. Can't wait to try this. Okay, guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for. The shepherd pie, the plant-based shepherd pie 2021, made with the Impossible, is complete. So we have it out. Take a close look, zoom of that. So we have it out of the oven. It's cooled down. So now we're going to take some and give it a try. Okay, before we take our first bite, just want to show you some close-up now since we've got some cut out. That's the inside of the shepherd pie. Here's what I'm going to try. Don't that look good? Can't wait to take my bite. All right. TheChuckster22 getting ready to close this first cooking video I've ever done, maybe the last I'll ever do. Out. Gonna try our cooked food here. Got my beer, my good stout ready to go for my Irish still. Got my good dog over here ready to go, hoping she gets some. Maybe I'll have to give her some So let's go ahead and take the first bite and see how that bad boy tastes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's take our bite. Oh, that's good right there, folks. That's good. And it's because of the taste of that, how good that is. That's why I make these things at home, y'all. So now you know how I make my shepherd pie. Feel free to make it yourself at home. Make whatever changes you want. It's all part of the fun. Chuckster22 at Chuckster22's Kitchen, signing out.
I don't know if you could see the changes that have come over me in these past few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away.